So now since we know how we can perform HTML injection attack, let's get our hands on practically on our machine and make sure that your OS BWS running and the intercept is off. So let's go to this, let's clear all these tabs and let's type IP address of our website. So since our intercept is off, let's close this tab as well, discard. Okay, now let's head to multi-do and here let's see what we can get. So in this section, let's go to injections. In the HTML injections, go to the browser info and let's see what we can get from here. Is intercept off? Yes, it is. Let's wait till it's get loaded here. Now since our page is reloaded, we can see there is nothing we can input. There is no bar where we can give a user input, but there is something we have seen familiar. That is this user agent string that is of our device, where it is telling that Mozilla 5.0 Linux this, and we have already seen some user agent vulnerabilities previously. So if we go to the burp suite and go to the proxy and turn intercept on, and now if we reload this page, now what we can do here, and now even though we don't have any input field on our web page, we can try modifying this. So if we try injecting some HTML code here, so let's try some h1, and here if we try hacked, and then if we try this h1 and close this, and now if we forward it all and let's go back to this web page where it is still loading. So let's wait till it gets completed and let's see if we manage to hack it down or not. So as you can see, we have this message here that says hack. That means we have successfully injected a HTML code here that was malicious, and that's how even if we don't have any input field on the web page, we can use burp suite and some fields as our HTML injection area. So that's how you can inject a HTML injection even if there is no input field available. And in the next lecture we will see some more options, some more techniques. So see you in the next lecture.